morning. I would like to introduce you the miscellaneous and auto parts of Toyota Vios 2019 model automatic transmission. Would like you to inform the function and maintenance of this car. And now we will begin at the Vios.
Boss! And now I will discuss the maintenance and function of Vios. First, you know where is he located. And this is the fuse. Oh shit! Oh shit! Be careful to open for a safety. The function of fuse, it serves as automobile mechanism by cutting short circuit when overloading it happens. The proper maintenance of fuse, you need to follow the diagram and you replace it at the same ampere. Now I discuss the function and maintenance of bearings. Bearings is to support the mechanism while it used while losing power if possible. The function of bearing bearing is create more efficient moving parts of wheel, and the maintenance is possible in properly lubricating and mounted and cell while water and air cannot be enter and be sealing all parts of bearings. And next, I discuss the different hoses in an automobile perform an essential task. And first, the radiator hoses, they have a inlet and outlet, and next the brake fluid hoses, and they have the under hoses from the exhaust and from the wiper, and the other hoses is from the gas, carrying gas to the combustion. And the maintenance of the hoses and the different hoses, make it sure that it properly clamp and no leaking, and properly replace the hoses from car is 4 to 5 years according to the owner manual.
Boss, good day. I will discuss the mirror function of the Toyota Vios 2019. These are the function of mirror is essential to visibility and safety, to helping drivers to monitor the side of vehicle. Maintain of the regular cleaning of the mirror using microfiber clothes, and this is replaced when the mirror is damaged or broken on it. I will discuss the function of the light. The function of the light is to give the vision to the drivers and the other drivers. This is maintained by replacing it in one when it's broken. Boss, good day. I will discuss you the function of the wipers. The wiper serves to clean the windshield, front and rear of the cars. Although not all the cars have rear wipers. To maintain the water by removing oil, dust, rainwater, and dirt that gets stuck to the windshield. The wiper is replaced when they have a crack or damages on it. The next part that I will discuss is the filters. The function of air filter is to filter and prevent dust by
entering the throttle body. As a rule of service manual, it's recommended to replace your air filter every 15 to 30,000 kilometers or every 12 months, whichever comes first.
Go.
The cabin filter is also same as air filter.
Boss, good day! First, I will discuss the bolts, nuts, clamps, and clips of this car. First of all is the nuts of the wheels. Just like this. The function of the nut is to keep the wheel not from loosening. Next is the clips and the clamps of this car. Just like this is to prevent this plastic part to not being loosened, and also the function of this is to not also being loosen the air filter hose to the throttle body of this car. To maintain this is to just always check if the nut and the bolts and the clamps and the clips, if this is already tightened to not being loosened. Our next topic is the belts. The example of the belts is like this. The function of the belt is transferring power from the engine to various accessories and synchronizing engine components. To maintain belts, you need to always check if there's a visible crack on the belts.
Go.
The next topic is the gaskets. The function of the gaskets is like this. On the engine, there is a gasket that is sealing the engine from leaking. To maintain gaskets, you need to avoid overheating to not the gaskets being worn out or being cooked by the heat of the engine.
Boss!
Thank you for listening for our topic. Miscellaneous auto parts and other parts of Toyota Vios 2019 model automatic transmission.